5 drinks to stop weight gain after heavy meals. Consuming homemade drinks after heavy meals can alleviate bloating, improve digestion, and assist weight management. These drinks can be easily incorporated into your daily diet. Warm water with lemon and black salt stimulates digestion, relieves bloating, and helps with detoxification. It also boosts metabolism, aiding weight loss. Ginger tea possesses anti-inflammatory properties that enhance digestion and speeds up metabolism. The thermogenic effect of ginger aids in faster fat burning. Peppermint tea relaxes the digestive tract and relieves feelings of fullness and indigestion. It's best to sip this tea slowly after a meal. Rich in antioxidants, green tea boosts metabolism and aids weight management. To increase its effectiveness, steep the tea bag with fennel seeds and honey. Fennel seed tea aids digestion and reduces bloating. Simply steep crushed fennel seeds in hot water and strain before drinking. Incorporate these homemade drinks into your diet to manage weight gain after heavy meals. In conclusion, choosing the right drinks after indulging in a heavy meal can play a significant role in preventing weight gain and promoting digestive comfort. Opting for beverages that aid digestion and support metabolic processes is key. Consider incorporating these smart drink choices into your post-meal routine.